go hear the voice of God in the voice of the people and do the right thing to move our country forward. My name na Ezugu Chukwudi, and today I get inside studio special people when we say we go discuss one particular problem when we say na serious issue inside Obodo Nigeria. If all of us join our hand together, we go come out of our country and life go dey sweet. But if we continue to deceive ourselves, say you know, they important, now we say we go dey create more problems inside our society. Two ogbonge visitors. Our first visitor na strong man when we say he don't decide say okay, he don't look this life finish, but he won't carry some kind things for his shoulder so that life go dey better and he go impact inside people life. And they talk of Oga Success Ezeani, aka R4C. Radical for Christ.
Yo, na me, I gallant, I full ground.
The way you take people answer the thing, you be like say you be musician. Na me.
Brother, anything where you go to make you blow.
Abi?
This economy, this period, you can do anything. So I sing, I rap, I dance, I comedy, anything.
And also talking about doing anything to blow, we get one ogbonge visitor when we say, she don't look, say, okay, some people, when they my condition, they go look, say, no kind thing when I feel do for society. I know if you make impact, make I go they beg, or make I just they live my life at the mercy of other people. But she don't decide, say no. She go empower herself and she go move and impact on society and also feel enjoy this life. And they talk of Chidinma Acholonu. Chidinma Acholonu, welcome to us.
Yes, I greet every one of us. I greet everyone out there.
The way you take people do the greeting self, the thing they like say it dey your body. And I dey very, very sure say if everybody look our table, although anytime when me and Nunku be there, the table they very, very empty and newspaper the day. But today we don't arrange some kind of things put on top of the table and to show people say ability really dey in disability. Make I give breakdown, make everybody understand. For our society, we get special people. And these special people, not be by their action or not be their fault. It dey happen maybe by chance and also by accident. But some of these people, because of the way when our society is structured, even those where they claim say they're able or they're normal, life hard for them and then they struggle. It can be people when we say they're inside this special condition. We won't ask plenty questions today. What in the government of Nigeria they do exactly? Every time we open newspaper, we go here fight against corruption. We go here this party, this man, that man. But it is where they impact the lives of the people. It be like say we they forget. I'm on top of facility, they talk and say all these issues, you know, go let them go. Now why we don't carry this one come? Chidinma and Oga Success, welcome to Asidi Health once again.
Thank you.
Make I ask one very important question. And that question, I want when we say we go use start everything when they go. I go try to Oga Success. You just there, can't look say you get some kind of things where they happen for our society, and you want to try see how you go take fit address these particular issues. What if that way inspire you to just decide, okay, people when they this special condition, what I feel do for them to use make sure say they feel enjoy life?
Okay, like I tell people, say me, I believe say in every disability, there is a great ability. For the fact that them be physical challenge doesn't make them say that they're useless. They should look inward. Make they look inside them. They go see something they can do. Even if not sweep, they sweep. If you sweep, person will tell you thank you for sweeping. You can make money from that sweeping. But when the whole thing started, when I did over, you get one blind guy, they go street to street, they beg. But the guy sings there. The way they sing, I know Sabi single, but I know good voice. My mind content, this guy where they sing. All these stars and celebrities, they know better pass them and only opportunity the guy need. So I was like, okay, that was when I couldn't conceive the concept. But after that, like 3 years, it was done on me, say, make I do something for them. But before, what that, ginger the thing again, they watch all these talent hunt showing for TV. You get one blind guy where come sing, but you won't be like, say, either acid or hot water make him blind, something like that. All the whole judges stand up, clap for them. They say you are the best. In fact, we never see voice like you. But for the sake of the brand where we they project, you cannot be.
Are you serious? So because they see and the brand where they project, I make them lose that opportunity.
But they promise and say them on their own go make sure say they help them. So that in Nankon I say no. Is it fair? Why? Now him cause himself. So that's another reason. That's the major thing. Kick starts. One
week on the thing will give your engine to start. Chidinma, once again, welcome to Asidi Health. I see waiting there on top of our table. Even myself, I can't look and say, the thing be like waiting machine do. But the information I say, now you use your hand to do this one.
Yes.
Aside from the fact, say, you be woman. And say, normally everybody go look woman. The first way will come to your mind and say, maybe na hairdressing. Maybe na tailoring, but you can't carry work when we say na man they do am, and you can't do this sound away like na what Moses wear for Old Testament. Make I ask this question. Sometimes, how you dey feel when you wake up in the morning, can't look say okay, if to say you dey ever feel say if to say my condition no dey like this, you get some other kind things when I don't do, or you get some other places when I don't reach, or you dey tell yourself say even though I dey like this, if I just get some kind of opportunity, I go fit achieve plenty things.
Yes. I always believe in the fact that there is ability in disability. And when I find myself as a disabled person, I didn't relax. But I tried to impact myself by involving myself in shoemaking. Or by involving myself in shoemaking. And the end of the day, after the production, I find it difficult in selling. But Mr. Success always help in his own area to make sure that, to help me in marketing it.
So what you don't explain now and say, even though you check yourself, see, say, okay, now like this idea, and I no go one go they beg. You can't decide, say, okay, make you can't do this one. But one challenge and say, if you do and finish, who go buy? Or one challenge and say, if you do and finish, how you go take sell? Oga Success, make I ask this question. How best we could divide our society now into 3 people? The first one, the special people when they inside this condition. The second one, we when we say we also dey inside our own kind of condition, because some people go look and say, I know say you special, but me sef, you get some kind special hunger when they hold me. I never dey okay. How I go to think about you? And finally, the government, because our society don't dey structured in a way when we say, if like say na government na dey on the tap of wetin go make us belleful for inside this country. If they no on am, e go dey somehow. No break am down. These people when they inside this condition, wetin be the first thing when you are somebody when we say you don't get some kind of experience, you don't see say ability really dey in disability. Wetin be the first thing when you go tell these kind of people? Because some don already give up hope, say I no fit add any value to society. You get anything to tell them, say whether na singing, whether na to even stand, whether na to even shake your head one how. If you do that thing well, something special go come out from am.
Yeah, the first thing wey be say accepting them as normal human being. Like them, if you make mistake for sure, I dey shout to them. I don't dey treat them like say she dey disabled. Ask her. I dey shout to them. Even though say I never beat am, I'm a woman. If say na man, you get some mistake wey she go make, I go shout. I go return the shoe. Now she go remake am before I go comot am. So
okay. So in fact, before we even go that one now, she don dey do the one wey be say you dey even dey give people.
Yeah.
And those people go look and say, wow, this is really good.
Yeah.
Continue.
So a person accepting them, you understand? Make people accept them, say them now normal person where we will be just for the fact they like this, not be say they useless. That's number one thing. Then 2, them on their own try also to change their mindset. You know, saying I'm that mindset of begging. Because they always want to beg. Because you see them on the street begging. Like I tell my people, say, person on wheelchair go day. Another person
when
go they push her.
When they
okay, see this one now. She don't wish she they make shoe. Okay, this one now too complex. He there too hard, yeah. But person where they wheelchair can sell a recharge card. Okay. You don't need any other thing. Now just sit down. 247. You get parents in the bear recharge card. Most time you go they no go day. But if you there wheelchair, she go there 247. So she can even make more money from recharge card selling. Then person where they push her go they carry hot water or pure water go they hustle. By then 2 of them go they make more money. You understand? Then they push. Like me, I don't give them money for slito. I know they give them shishi.
So you dey talk about our mindset now. Yeah. First and foremost, for those of us who look them say, these people, they be people like us.
Yes.
They themselves, they must look themselves say, no, I no go allow my condition come make me feel like say, now you feel help me. Maybe they also do that. And you can't give. I don't know why you never contest election for inside this country, because see what you just explained now. One person they normal. They push person when they on a wheelchair. If that person they hustle, they bring money. The one when they wheelchair, they hustle. Maybe even if they recharge card as it takes more, they bring money. Money plus money equals to money. Oh God, why our politicians know they think like this?
Like they say, they know they prepare before they go there. Nah, in the things, yeah. They know they prepare themselves now just to go chop money. And now all of us go help this country. The government, I don't believe the government alone can do. Now we be the government. You understand? So now all of us go put them together and make this world a better place for both them and us.
Very true. Chidima, I can't ask you now because whether we like them or not, no matter how Oga Success take explain the way when this thing dey. Now you go fit explain that well because now you dey inside this particular condition. What will be some of the challenges? Even though maybe you never tell them before, but you go talk now, maybe the whole world hear you now because those wey matter they watch, and I dey very sure say people wey get sense go do the right thing and move on. Somebody like you now when they inside this condition, you get friends too when they inside this particular condition. Wetin be some of the problems when we say una dey see, when we say even if una tell una sef say we wan do this thing, we go fit do am, but if those challenges still dey, somehow e go dey affect una, e go dey make life hard for una. Wetin be some of those challenges? Talk your mind now.
Okay, some of those challenges is the area of getting the materials easily, in which we use in production. We find it difficult at times in getting some of the materials, as in the leather, the gum.
No worry, leave am.
And the thread for sewing. We normally find it difficult in getting all
these materials,
all those materials. And at times, if we finish our products, then we find it difficult in the area of marketing it. Issue of marketing is also a challenge to us.
Very true, because if person do the thing finish, he go need to sell am now. You see, e good make we dey take issues one after the other, because most times we go hear our leaders dem talk say made in Nigeria, patronize made in Nigeria. Patronize made in Nigeria means say make you buy things when we say Nigerians do inside our Nigeria here. But then again you go ask where the market. Then again you go ask this person wey dey even dey do the thing, how life, wetin be the profit wey the person dey see? Because like she explained, if e dey very very difficult to get materials wey she wan use do the work, na be say don dey affect the final production and the cost go come very very high. You don identify one serious problem when dey your particular area. Now oga Success, now person wey dey this kind of condition now, you don talk about challenges of getting material. People wey even dey normal in quote to hustle material sef na problem, because person wey dey this kind of condition. How you take think say that particular issue na something wey dem fit solve? Talking about material no be just only for shoe now, even those wey dey do tailoring and the rest of them.
Yeah, that's why I say for me, I dey do something once a year for them for now.
Okay.
So to gather people, to make people know their plight, their challenges.
Okay.
Like now, waiting at the level where we dey now, and I said if you order, they go buy. Do you understand? But if they can get all those material in large quantity, or maybe get importers, all those people where they import or people where they sell, can give them, even if you create this facility.
Very true.
You understand? As they produce, because the shoe they sell, they sell. But the challenge, like you say, now to getting those material. Because no money, you understand, to get those material.
Okay, so if government fit provide, I don't know why they call government, but I know in our country don't deny everything na government.
Now it still boils down to government. If government can provide
credit facilities, say okay, you take this 200,000 naira, use and go buy material. If you buy material, do and finish.
In 6 months' time, pay it small. She can do it. Because I know say how many. If I'm not lying, we don't say more than 200 pairs of shoes and sandals from February where we started this thing till now.
Now February this year when I start.
Yes.
200 pairs of sandals.
She's here. We don't say pairs of sandals and shoe.
And you know say market dey Nigeria. Take for example the northeastern part of the country where people dey complain about Boko Haram. Now children don dey go back to school. Imagine say they just come talk say okay based on made in Nigeria, based on special people like this, we get maybe 2,000 children. If you fit do 200 sandals, do. If you fit do 500, do. If you fit do 1,000, do. And government go give these people money. Oga Alfonsi, if you no contest election, you go pay me because see, as you just sit down, look problem for our society. And in the whole change begins with me when some big people they talk. Okay. They use them, they snap picture, they chop money. We don't start from very, very small ones when we say, don't they change people's life for inside our society.
And I want to talk about most times the challenge with me they get now to order people they get, they don't much because they can't. You know, say they still need facilities, equipment, and then when I say, you know, say if machine there, she can do three or four sandals in a day. But now with hand, she they take the do, so you can also do one.
Oh, now ordinary hand, she take
ordinary hand, everything na cutting knife. Now she get her cutting table, everything in her hand, no machine for now. Every hand, even the sewing, she go to sew and one. So it takes a longer time for her to finish one.
So if equipment is there, for they easy.
For they easy for her. Do you understand? So that's another challenge when she they get. But generally, now see people to support. Now government or people, individual, we don't make them to give them helping hand. Even if you don't give them money, if you can buy those equipment, give her. Tell her, I don't say make you dash them. I let them pay you back. 1 year time. Do you understand? Which she knows say nah own. She's willing to work and she will pay back.
Oga Alfonsi, may I come ask one question now? If some people when they normal, don't give up, they don't frustrate, they don't look and say, oh, I don't tire. So I'm going to even iron their clothes, go stand for bus stop and say, sir, I lost my wallet, please, can you help me with 200 naira? They speak some kind of English just to take collect money. Now some people will look back say, she dey on top of wheelchair now, and a wheelchair she dey at condition still better. You been telling me something before the show start about the bag when they your front, and you tell me say na person when blind, when no they see, now you do this particular bag. I go like, okay, raise the bag. Okay, our camera people now, they see that bag now. Now blind person when no they see, now you do this bag. Person when no they see at all, now you do this particular bag. And if you see the way when you take hang the bag for neck, now like normal bag, but now blind person, now you do this bag. May I come ask? Make I ask him like person when don't know anything at all. For person when blind to do this particular bag, and I be say no matter how the condition when person dey for our society, he get wetin if he contribute and he get wetin if he achieve. Yeah. Wetin we go fit do to use improve on this kind particular thing when this person don't do, because if person when blind do bag like this when we say if you look and finish na normal bag, e get opening, e get zip. Wetin be the things wey dem fit do to use fit improve to help that person do better and do more?
Yeah, two of them see the same similar, getting the raw material, because you know say him blind, him go market, buy. So most times say people where they sell, no, they give them credit loan, their facility, you understand? So if you no get money, like waiting as we they do am now na small, I will believe say God time he go grow. If you want now, you give advance. Now from that you advance. Okay. We go use buy. Now him go buy, use go market. Buy. If you finish him alone go deliver him to your doorstep. You understand? Because him I don't train him that way. So if I no get chance, you give him your contact, he go deliver him to your doorstep. You not give him back him money.
The blind person.
I'm telling you, this one he carry and come meet me because I didn't meet him. Like I just say, I know they pity them. He was meant to deliver it so time, but he couldn't deliver it. So when he say make I can't say I did meet, I don't feel my meeting. He say okay, he go come. So he come where I did deliver him and I give him imbalance. Even the man, people when don't do for you do more time. And I don't help them sell also. My ladies man made like 50 pairs of these bags. So I don't help them sell them also. So now that same challenge, getting the material and the market. You understand? If people can give them, like most of the complaints say, these things don't cost, but if they could support them, and they are willing. The guy, he not marry, he get 2 children, he they pay house rent, he they train children for school. Blind person. I'm telling you, with this bag. So
Nigerians go good make we point them out. Say whether you like them or not. No final bus stop, no final whistle. Anything where you want contribute for inside the match, you supposed to contribute them and see say that they score the goals, they go. You don't hear of the story of the blind person when they do bag. He don't marry, he don't born. Even though they complain, so go certain challenges there, but this they do. And which excuse now you get? Chidima, may I ask you now? You don't ever. What will be the reaction of people to what you they do? Somebody don't ever come talk say this guy when say. How people they react to this particular thing when they do?
Some of them used to feel happy seeing me doing this kind of job. And some of them don't even used to believe that I was the one
that did it.
Yes, that did it. Because they think that if you are disabled, that you are totally out of the track. Is their maximum? Is their yes, their might towards us. But if some of them eventually come around and see me doing my work, they always feel happy.
You get shop?
I'm still a student.
Oh, student of?
Okay, FOTD.
Okay, FOTD.
You get Friends of Special People. Skill Acquisition Center.
Everybody when they for house, una go notice the way when the studio take calm. And this one are because of the fact, say, I go like make the thing sink in. Say, irrespective of any condition where you they go, or where you they experience, or anything where you they go through, you must look yourself and tell yourself first. If you not tell yourself first, say, I feel common for this thing, or I feel do am. Now it be say problem don't dey for you. You don't hear the story of Chidima, even though our story be like a book where we say you no get ending. But we hope and we believe say with all these things when we say she they do, and waiting so many other people for our society when be special people they do, we they inspire and they tell people say no matter your condition, you go feel move forward. Oga Success, make I ask you this question now. Now, since you start this particular ability package, because if you check the whole this thing, this is like the 5th one when we say you they do. Yeah. Since you start them, what will be the reaction of people? I would like make you emphasize on the importance, because for some people they often say, okay, you get one guy when we say in the organized event for disabled people, make we go there, make we just laugh, make we sing, make we just buy this thing, then everybody go forget, they wait for the next year. How you take things, say this particular event, I want to make the next one when we go do now, go there very, very special. And if people go out, they go always they think for their mind, say, even if not every day, even if not every month, I feel do something in my own little way, even if not be to give money, even if not by word of encouragement, to help person when they're special and make the person contribute well for society.
Yeah. The thing is, the aim of the event, one, to change their mindset, friends, and make people accept them, show love to them. Like, what do they do now? Scholarship. Those of them that want to go to school, help them get scholarship. Like a church, they pay tuition fee for one of them in Unilag, a blind person.
Is there Unilag?
Yeah, church, they pay tuition fee for them. Then, those of them that want to work, like she can work. She can be a PA. She can be a receptionist. She can be storekeeper because her motion there are limited already. Okay. Blind person can work in breweries, a company where they produce all these drink or make, because their sense of taste and smell they're higher than our own. Somebody on crutches on wheelchair can also work. You understand? So they are employable. You understand? Yeah, those of them that want to train, that go for training, like the way they training now, they can see what she are doing. You understand? So to help them train. Then those of them that are trained already, where they don't get handwork, give them like a take-off grants and loan. Then they take the start up this business on their own, get shop or, something like that for them. Then those of them that are into entertainment that can sing also. Companies where they endorse, not be only normal people, make they endorse them now, when they give them endorsement contracts, they can sing and they go sell, they go make their money. And say if we help them, we are reducing the poverty ratio of this country.
Exactly.
So that's the major aim.
So that we go take plenty people come up for streets, and these people go come begin to look, say, I don't get anything when I feel not to beg. The person go look, say, even if not to do, if I do that thing well, the thing go bring something, enter inside my pocket. Those of you that went there for house when they watch, I get Chidima Acholono, and I also get Oga Success, Eziani, when they call R4C, Radical for Christ, inside studio. And today I shall say, plenty of people when go come first, go look and say, but you know say now I see the hot. When they come with different packages so that everybody go they understand issues when we say if they happen inside our country, when we say sometimes we overlook. Not be every time front pages of newspaper, like yesterday we carry story come say federal government won't go collect $29.9 billion as loan, and they want chook them inside certain things for inside our society to make life better. But then if you can't look the breakdown of what they want use this money for, it go be like say some other people for our society we even need, even if now small things to use really better for our society, they know they get all these particular things. So we go through our phone lines open. You self go call in. You go share your experience. If you know anybody when they go through this particular thing, and like word of encouragement, you go talk and say, these people, if you do this kind of thing like this, we go make our society better. But we go this break, come back. When we go the break, come back, we'll continue our discussion as either I go complete on today because today is a special day. Hot! Will they come back? Welcome back to As It Hot on top of the Chairman television station. I dare say the senior brother for the television stations when they started the world, Wazobia TV, channel 98 on top of GoTV cable, Start Times channel 195, channel 17 for my TV, and also www.wazobiatv.tv/live. We don't come again with that Ogbonge politic discussion show As It Hot, where they discuss every issue when they touch lives and impact upon our great country, Nigeria. And the one who can come today at this Make I not make mistake. Ability in disability. And this one are because of the special people when they in our society when be like say somehow because of all these DSS versus judges fight against corruption, budget padding and everything, we they forget these people. But we know say these people they get contribution for our society and they will make impact. If you get mind, call us, talk your mind on top of this particular matter. We get Oga Polycarp in the call us all the way from Enugu State. Oga Polycarp, good morning and welcome to As It Hot.
Good morning, Chibodi.
I agree to Oga Polycarp.
Good morning, people in the studio.
In the greet now.
Good morning. We agree to.
Okay. I appreciate what you are doing in process.
Thank you, sir.
And the chairman or Chidema. Because just like when I said, there's ability and disability.
Yes, sir.
There's one man where the show where get from west downwards for TV. So, but the president speak, I don't know his name. But every time I see that man, I feel like whooping. The thing is, what touches minds. If you somebody who has no leg, no hand, nothing, can encourage you who are still able by saying 10 or 10 he says. We should be ashamed of ourselves, someone to go about arranging ourselves. So what instead what happened some time ago, some two policemen used to come to my shop every day. At least once in a month. They said they were transferred from Jos to Enugu. They have no place to stay, so they're looking for money for tenants. I said, well, it's better than do not matter. You to give them money. But after about 2 years, they continue to come. I was so angry. So whenever I come, I lock my shop and run away. So it's not good. Something happened some years ago. When I was in primary school, there's one man in my town. He's a disabled man, but he is a bicycle repairer. He even thought I used his bicycle to learn how to ride bicycle. When they closed the job, I helped him to carry his goods to the place where he used to pack the goods. Then, when I finished my school, one day I was coming to Lagos, I went to Kenneth Park. I saw the same man inside the bus, begging. I was so angry with myself. I said, somebody who has a job who was doing repairing bicycle and making good money out of it. I just abandoned this work and now come to do this begging inside the bus. I feel like if you allow my eyes to meet his own, because if I see him, I feel like slapping him.
So Oga Polycarp.
And I want business to encourage him, please. God bless.
Thank you very much, Oga Polycarp. We appreciate this, your contribution. You don't give examples of personal experiences and the fact, say, if you did this kind of condition, yourself, now you go first tell yourself, say, no, this special and I feel add value to our society. Oga Success, talking of adding value to society, if person come out now and look say, okay, if we give her money now, make she go to buy material, or if we give them money, make they go to buy material now, waiting they want, okay, make they just go to buy the material. Which value did he want add for us, for our society?
Okay, let's see it this way now. If you empower her, okay, we are talking about unemployment. She's limited already. Sorry to use that word. She no go to the go market like that. You know, she no go to the market. So she can employ even if not like 3 people. One, call and purchasing manager, we go they go they purchase things for her. We go there on salary. Then marketers, we go they sell. What did she do? You understand? That means she don't they pay like 2 people or storekeeper. Like 3 people now. She don't they pay 3 people where they normal. Don't they make a living from her? So it's not just only her. And imagine you can empower like 10 of them. 3 times, say, now I'm in 30 people where you don't take out of unemployment.
Very true.
So you can empower like 100 of them. Times 3 times 100. Now 300 people, do you understand? So now so the list go. And the business go to expand. Where we say one person alone no fit they buy the market they go. She can increase them like 6. You understand? Like that. So that's why they need empowerment. One, you don't take her out of poverty. She now don't employ like 3 people, take them out of poverty.
Even though those people, they're normal.
They're going to make a living. So now the same money go around, go to circulate. And I'm about this, like one day I tell someone when I did school. But you know, say I didn't come in. I said, okay, if you don't support me now, if I carry come hold you for road one day, you go say, you understand? Support people, you understand? If you see youth where they hustle, support them. Do you understand? So if you're complaining, say robbers, all these things, those youth where they steal or they do all those things, some of them, I know they encourage them more, but some of them don't get that kind of support. Exactly. Make them. But if she employed, she could have saved like 4 people where police for don't waste into robbery.
So it is very, very clear, say, if we do our best as society, as government, as a people, to empower special people for inside our society, these people in turn, because they're special, themselves will contribute specially to inside our society to make them a lot better. And may I break this thing down now? Sometimes if people look okay, special, if we go even classify these people into categories, who be the people when we talk about? When we talk, say, okay, this person is a special person. So not only people who know they see, or people who know they waka, or if you go talk about, like, with what you they do now, which kind of people be the people when we say you carry joint body based on, say, okay, oh, these people, I consider them special people, and we must do something to help these people to contribute significantly for our society.
Yeah, now people who are on wheelchair, people who know they see, deaf and dumb, people who are on crutches, or people who don't feel the waka at all. You understand? But you know, say one way they more hard than people who know they hear.
Yes.
You understand? Deaf and dumb, because they know feed they hear what yourself say you learn that sign language. That's what the government should introduce in schools. From
sign language.
Yes, from nursery school to primary to university level. Sign language should be a compulsory course so that you can relate with them. Imagine say police they rob this place now. If they say stop, he no hear, police will shoot him. Because he know they hear what they talk. He don't say they ignore you. But if police can, if talk, stop, he don't hear, police do like this. You don't understand. You understand? So that's another area government should also make them compulsory for our secondary school, from primary school to secondary school to university level. Sign language, make they hear also.
Very, very special. Chidima, make I ask you this important question. If you don't hear of some people for our society when we say they did this particular condition and they don't feel contribute for our society and they don't feel do well. If they go ask you now, say okay, in the next maybe 2 years or 3 years or 5 years, what will be the things when we say you hope say okay, if government hear our voice this morning, if better people hear our voice this morning, now these kind of things you dey hope say you go don achieve, because by the grace of God, if we go come back here maybe next year to still discuss ability and disability, because this is a continuous problem so we dey discuss for our society, wetin be those things when we say you go wan look yourself say okay, I don achieve this one and I dey add am to my society. But before you answer that question, we get somebody on top of our telephone line. Good morning and welcome to As E Dey Hot. Hello? You there? We dey hear you.
Hello, good morning.
I dey hear you. Talk, we dey hear you.
Yes, good morning.
We dey greet you, Chichi, good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Chukwudi.
I dey greet you, Chichi from Kano.
Chukwudi, good morning.
I dey greet you, Chichi. I dey greet you.
They hail you.
Honestly, I'm calling from Katsina here. The answer.
Reduce the volume of your television and talk, or you are just the talk they go. Hey, Chichi, don't go on top of our telephone line. Chidima, I've been ask you, say, if next year we come, 2 years from now we come, 3 years from now we come, if we go come ask you the same question, what thing go be like the answer when you go like make you give? For example, like in talk now say, you see they go school, you never get shop, but you, the kind of plans where you get now, if government hear our voice, if government do the right thing, if people for society talk, say, okay, make we see the way we fit contribute to these people now. If you come here like this time next year now, or maybe talk say in the next 5 years, what you go don't hope to achieve? You go like maybe this your company don't enter Nigeria Stock Exchange. You go like to don't employ 200 people. Tell us your mind.
Okay. After I must be okay. After maybe I'm free, or I must have established my own business.
Okay.
At least I'm free from begging him on the streets.
Okay.
At least I have become a commander of labor at the end of the day. I can no longer depend on people for anything. Or people helping me, or people dashing me money along the road. At least I can employ people that will be working for me at the end of the day. If I can be able to get the kind of assistance or that I need.
This one where you don't talk now, you just talk you talk whole her. And it go dey very, very good, say, make we, as Nigerians, challenge ourselves today. Whether you talk, say, you dey able-bodied, or whether you talk, say, you be special person, or whether you dey for government, Chidima don't talk her mind. And this one just be like the parameters when she don't set for herself. And the girl wants when she talk, when touch my mind, she say, commander of labor. When we talk about labor, and come put commander for the front, it be saying a person when me say, himself go look in society, say, okay, yes, you come here, come they chop something for here, they dey okay. You come here, come they chop something for here, they dey okay. It gets societies when we say, people, nobody go look and say, make I just stand for road, they beg. Even though na something when we say it dey happen for different parts of the world. But it be like saying now when you don't reach level when we say it don't come red, finish, now you will come out. And people no go take you serious. Because like you talk, you know they look them and say, this person in life they hard for this person in this condition today. You dey tell them say in dey special and you dey encourage them to do things when we say in go do am well. But we go like beg you to so make they bring your voice down when you dey shout for them. I know say it dey very, very important. Make you not let the person feel too comfortable. Say I don't dey like this, but you go dey tell the person your own mind. Now I can ask you this question now. Now ability when they do this month for you go tell us the place. You go tell us the date, and you go tell us what you hope to achieve with this particular one, so that at the end when we come look say okay based on the way we take do am for As E Dey Hot when they discuss this particular issue on the judgment day when God go ask us, me and Nkubi go answer and say okay we give opportunity and people talk their mind na like this we take talk am na like this the thing be. Just give us the information we need.
Okay, this year own the annual event now October 30th. That's this Sunday where they come.
Okay.
For Golden Tulip Hotel, First Town, Lagos.
Okay.
It's an exhibition where they go come with their product and service. The blind will make this bag go come.
He go carry him product come. Okay.
The blind person where they repair laptop and phone is coming.
No wait, blind person when they repair.
My God, they not ask me. I just come there. You go see them. They repair laptop and phone. They come. They come with her shoe. Then the fashion designer, they come with her own clothes where she don't sew. So now to sell their products. Now what will they come do that day?
Wait, make I ask this question. You say person went blind, they repair laptop and phone.
You never see person went blind where they will be professional photographer.
Person went blind.
My brother, you never see anything. No.
When be professional photographer.
No go there. That's why you should come to the event. October 30th, Golden Tulip Hotel. You go see things for yourself.
So from all these things where you don't give now, it is very, very important to note say some of these special people, they're really they special. Because those who even they claim say that they able body no even free do this particular thing. Don't talk say person went blind, they repair laptop and phone.
This guy, they teach people where get eye how to make this bag. In get students. Most times if you too busy now, student in the same come meet me.
He get students.
Where get 2 eyes, 2 legs, 2 hands, normal brain. They sit down, blind person they teach them how to make this bag.
Get you already show good enough for your closing show go.
No, that's why I say they beg people come on October 30th, go into just to come and support them, buy their product, and this shoe, this and now go last you. You go wear and finish because one thing I tell them say one, if I must get involved in it, it must be quality. And I want make people buy them because say na disabled people do them.
Okay.
But buy them because say you go use them, and if you wear them, you understand people go see them, like them, bros. Hey, where you buy this thing? You understand? At least for this bag alone, what they carry for more than since January this year now, if I'm not mistaken. I know how many I don't sell because it's good and it's still okay. You understand? But if people buy them babies on saying that disabled, they go keep them for house. The only way they go club,
they go wear them.
People don't go to the see them.
We get Oga Obiora. He call us all the way from Adamawa State, Yola. Oga Obiora, good morning and welcome to As E Dey Hot.
Yeah, good morning, Chukwu. And our guests, good morning. How are they?
Good morning, sir. I will greet you.
Chukwu, I appreciate the young girl work. And you know, this type of a thing, now what we want for this Nigeria is this. And the young man too, where they help them advertise the product, coach them. In fact, God will bless you.
Amen, I'm blessed
and
you, sir.
People like where they famous and the celebrities, would expect them to go help people like this too. At least one way or the other, if you can't give them money, you can advertise them too, though you are doing their work. By even bringing her to this show now, you have given her 10% promotion in her effort.
Amen.
And I pray that you will still give her more chances to advertise her work. And with this, like the other girl that is selling bread, that one person pick her up, rush her, and make her a celebrity overnight. So this is the kind of thing we'll be expecting from people. No things of politics. Every time APC will go catch somebody, tomorrow they will go catch somebody. But see people when they kidnap their pikin, go marry by force. Police say they don't go do anything. But they go break judge door. Come on, judge for night. But they don't go carry small girl where they marry for 10 years. Where they inside, we they know where they go feed one. So this kind of work where we want to see, at least we're going to make us know say, one day this Nigeria go better.
Thank you very much, Oga Obiora. We appreciate this, your important contribution. We go rush, enter inside one break, come back now. When we go this break, come back. Another special person go join us inside studio and he go talk in mind as he get to do with the special talent when God don't give her and how she they take and contribute to our society. Don't go anywhere. There is indeed ability in disability. Now see the hot when they come back. To As E Dey Hot. Ezuku Chukwu, the Oga Success is there and he's still inside studio. And we get one Ogbonge visitor. We not come join us again. Okpeyemi Kosoko. We go enter full shot now for our studio. Make una see what we get on top of our table. But make una no fear. Not be shrine with day. If you see the dolly when stand on top of our table, you go see say the dolly wear fine clothes. Now this young lady, Okpeyemi Kosoko, when be fashion designer, when be also special person. now he make this particular fine clothes when we say this dolly wear. And by the grace of God, he get something special when we say they come. Person don't look the level because he say, you get one concept of we come up with, and with the hopes everything go pure and everything go there very, very nice. Okpayemi, make I give you this particular one. Now you go hold on. Okay. When I first see him, I've been talking to the TV like Baby Kingsway. And Oga Success come tell me say, now you make this particular one exactly. Just drop them back on top of our table. Make I ask this question now. Okay, sure, make sure you hold that other one too. Exactly, now you make this particular one also. Oh yeah, now drop them for table. Make we come the fire down with the question. How long you take learn fashion designing?
2 years.
2 years. Now you take learn am.
Yes.
How long you done dey sew?
It's 2 years that I started learning fashion designer.
Okay, now 2 years you take learn am and since then you don start to dey sew.
Yes.
Now you come sew this thing when be like wetin.
This one is last year that I sewed this one.
And last year you sew this thing when fine like this. When be like wetin Oyibo children dey wear. Our people when dey for house, make I just make e be like una need to see this particular thing when I also. Now she make this particular one, Okpayemi Kosoko. And even though Okpayemi Kosoko sit down on top of our chair, we go also put am say she na also special person too. And she no let her condition draw her back. She don also contribute the way she fit contribute to society. Okpayemi, make I ask you this question now. Wetin be those things when we say you think say if you get as support, you go fit do wetin you dey do more? Because all these things when you get na very, very fine things, and the fact say na you do am even with your special condition, it really shows say you get talent and you dey very, very serious. Wetin be those things wey you think say okay, if government or if people wey fit assist fit do am, e go make the whole thing dey very, very easy for you? Ó máa rọrùn dáadáa fún ẹ.
What I think that government should help us, because if government help us now, like this thing, I have sold it like since last year. I can't sell it, but Uncle Success always help us to produce our work out. Like we are going on Sunday now for his program. We are going to sell some of our product there. So I need government help to help us. We really need government to help us because everything is hard these days. So we need government to help us.
Okpayemi, the way you take talk am, e dey very, very certain say that help go come, and not be even just the government. Basically everybody when they inside our society, and people must rise up to see say they do wetin they fit do. Oga Success, R4C, make we just come talk am again, make everybody hear. You don't talk say Sunday for Golden Tulip, say people go come, and people when go come, they go get opportunity see all the work of these people. You talk about the blind person when they repair phone and laptop. I go like to see that particular person. Talk of this blind person when they do bag, when they teach people. See Okpayemi here now with the fine material when she carry come with this dog baby when me say she even clothed the dog baby self. The dog baby fine where. I go just like make you just emphasize them again. Why this particular one go they different from the other ones? Because if you don't do them before, I know say you don't do this thing. Even before, I don't hear say you do them. But me self come, me and Uncle say, okay, me take special interest in this particular one. And in the little way when we say we fit contribute also to use fees, say, okay, people know say certain people not be just to beg for money or to just make we help them, now remain. We fit empower these people to contribute significantly for our society. Why you think say from this year on everything go dey different and everything go dey special?
Yeah, it go dey different. Let me start with her now. She graduated last year. From the show last year, Senator, the comedian, bought her sewing machine. And with that sewing machine, she did take the sew all this thing. But you know, say in her hand. So, but she still need electronic one. So that's what we're hoping for this year. Like now, from that show last year, she got this contract. This one, one man, Paul Arajiaka for Udumota, in they sell these things. So the man don't give him contract, make she they sew all this 500 pieces. And from there, she go they make small money for herself. 500,
small
like
pieces.
This.
Different
styles.
Yes. Like this.
This one is 6 pieces.
6 pieces of this one?
Yes. No, this one is 150.
150.
Oh, 150 of this?
Yes.
This one, I think, 100. This one, like,
yes.
what, 50 and the other. Do you understand? So this year on, like I said, an exhibition. Make people come, buy, support their product. Those who feel like she need electronic machine where we say because na hand and
and it dey stress.
It dey stress, not just the stress, but na time. But if say na machine, na manual,
e go dey easy and e go dey faster
for her. Even other things where she go need. You understand? And she still need to go to school.
Very, very true. Our people when they for us, they talk say Nigeria and our country, e no go spoil. Our Oga Presido, he don't come out, he don't talk say he know the way when the country dey, and we go do everything to use see say we help our country, make our country dey okay. And he don't come out talk say change begins with me. And if we look the way when this thing dey, in our own little way, the way we fit help people, we go fit do am. You no need be non-governmental organization. You no need the government. You no need be person when they contest for election. Make you dey do am as eye service so that people go think say you be better person in your own little way. Even if na 2 or 3 or 4 or 5. Even if you have to tell people with your mouth say, "I get special people for our society." Oh, they don't need you to give them money. Say make them chop. If you empower them, they go do what they supposed to do. We go see say this our country. We go help each other and everybody go contribute to the success of our great country, Nigeria. Oga Success Ezani, aka R4C, Radical for Christ. Welcome to this particular show, and we thank you. Say you carry your people come, and we don't discuss this matter because I know say for a very long time now you don't talk this thing. But it's good as we don't talk this matter today. Okpeyemi Salah Kosoko, thank you very much. Say you carry waka come, and we hope say in everything what you're going to do for future, everything go pure. Chidinma, anywhere where you do too, we also wish you all of the best. Amen. And in the way where we go feel support, we'll go support. Until we come back again tomorrow with all the action today we'll discuss this week. Una bye-bye. Thank you very much for watching. Okpeyemi, thank you very much. To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.